First, heading to court, the state officially filing manslaughter charges against the man seen pulling the trigger in this surveillance video and claiming self-defense.
And this new video just in tonight of Michael Draka being booked into the Pinellas County Jail where he's sitting right now. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jamison Euler.
And I'm Wendy Ryan. Thanks for joining us. We're also learning more about Draka's past. ABC Action News reporter Heather Lee kicks off our team coverage of this major development tonight. Heather?
Well, Wendy, that arrest warrant is pretty detailed, and it's describing what the interactions that other folks had with Draka, where he showed his gun and he yelled at them. Deputies booking Michael Draka into Pinellas County Jail, the state attorney's office saying there's enough evidence to charge him with manslaughter after he shot and killed Markeis McGlockton.
And it didn't look like he was posing any threat.
After reenacting the scene with detectives, Draka indicates McGlockton was more than 10 feet away when he shot, forensic technology showing it was more like 12 feet, and the autopsy showing McGlockton was turning away from Draka.
In looking at the video, there was no doubt in most people's mind that he was far enough and turning away and not charging or anything like that.
We're also learning more about his interactions with other people on the road. One man saying Draka threatened to shoot him after he parked in a handicap spot 3 months before he shot McGlockton. Another man claiming Draka told his boss he was, quote, lucky he didn't blow his employee's head off after parking in a handicap spot. Two other people saying Draka pointed a gun at them while driving. Now, Draka's bond is set at $100,000 tonight. We don't know if he's going to make that bond tonight, but we do know that he is expected to be in court tomorrow afternoon. For now, we're live in Pinellas County. Heather Lee, ABC Action News.
Heather, thank you. And as Michael Draka sits in jail, the family of Markeis McGlockton is speaking out, and prosecutors are getting ready for what could be a lengthy trial ahead.
Yeah, that's right. Our team coverage continues with ABC Action News reporter Isabel Rosales. And Isabel, I know the family is telling you they're now satisfied with the manslaughter charge, right?
Wendy, they are. The family and their attorney believe that that manslaughter charge is the correct charge to get a verdict. They also think that that surveillance video, they capture national attention. They believe that is going to be their best piece of evidence, the best piece of evidence for prosecutors. Now, should Draka be found guilty, he could spend up to 30 years behind bars. The manslaughter charge handed down this morning just 12 days after prosecutors first started reviewing the case. The McGlockton family attorney expressed satisfaction that prosecutors chose to hand down that charge in the first place. Now, today, the McGlockton family tell us they are ready for the legal battles ahead, while a criminal defense attorney we spoke with predicts it will not be that easy for prosecutors.
Well, this is only step one. I mean, once we get this guy behind bars for good, or for at least 30 years, that's justice to me.
I think it's strong for the defense. I think there's a strong motion to dismiss based on stand your ground. And, you know, if the judge grants it, that's the end of it. There won't be a jury trial.
And that defense attorney pointed out two key obstacles for prosecutors. First, that surveillance video showing McGlockton pushing Draka, and then the changes to the stand your ground law, which now forces the prosecution to prove it's not a stand your ground case. Now, last Friday, the Florida legislature rejected a special session to review exactly that law. Nonetheless, the McGlockton family indicating and vowing that they're going to work with future lawmakers to reform that law. Of course, we're going to stay on top of this case and bring you guys the latest details. Live in Clearwater, I'm Isabel Rosales, ABC Action News.